I have these coolers. I decided it would be a great idea to use painter's tape to hold them down instead of heat sensitive tape, which I do not have. And they're all leaving a residue. I have no idea what to do. And I have the difficulty of the edges not pressing, and so part of my design is not pressing down. You would think these edges would stick better than the middle, but it's the opposite way around because this is getting a more solid surface than this. Like it can't find where to press. Obviously I can't use painter's tape anymore. Yeah, frog tape. It's not heat sensitive.
And should not be used on your heat press.
I need to figure out how to remove the stickiness, and I need to figure out how to press the edges. It's so bad. Don't ever do that. The VLR cleaner for vinyl and a rag. And like here, like I already ripped that, like it's removing the adhesive from the polyurethane essentially, and so it's gonna degrade the quality of the Koozie. So like that ruined that. You can still see the imprint. Anyway, so I'm down 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, which is more than half of the order. 18, 19, okay, good. I have just enough. So luckily I have enough transfers, but I need to order more Koozies and then I'm good to ship this order. These are all trash. I messed them all up. So I got the correct sublimation tape. That's what this is. Verified. So look how beautiful that is. Oh, just lovely. And then if you notice that there's any lines from your transfer, just put them back on there for a couple seconds.